Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you should ever know. Make my wish come. All I want for Christmas is
Don't.
Hey guys, it's Desi and I'm back again with another video. It's been so long once again because your girl's been slacking. But anyways, I'm back today. So first, a little disclaimer, you guys, I sound this way because allergies are kicking my ass. Yes. But today I'm going to be doing a hair review. Some hair. This company called Miss Cara Hair Company on Aliexpress actually reached out to me and sent me some free bundles, you guys. So you know your girl got to get a review out for them. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first, actually, let me go braid my hair up so I can actually put this wig on because there's no point in me just showing you. I mean, I could. Let me see. But it'll look better on. Okay guys, so I have the wig on and I'm gonna just get straight into this review. So I made myself little flashcards, of course, just because I don't want to forget anything. I want to do a really good, in-depth, honest review for you guys. So I don't remember if I stated this before or not, but I have a 16-inch frontal and she sent me out, or they sent me out 4 18-inch bundles, and in this wig I only used almost 3 bundles. Like I have 1 bundle and a little bit of another bundle left over, so basically I used a little bit less than 3 bundles, but I feel like it was enough because if you look at the hair, this is already a lot of hair. I can't imagine a whole another bundle being in here. So that's pretty good. So I actually went on the website and looked up how much it would be if I actually paid for this with my own money. And for what I have, which is Brazilian loose deep wave hair for a 16-inch frontal and 4 18-inch bundles, it came out to be $108.10, which is extremely affordable. And you guys, I'm a college student, so your girl is kind of broke sometimes. Like I be pinching them coins, but this is super affordable hair and it's so nice too. Like for a frontal, usually if you have anything that involves a frontal, it's gonna be at least like $150, but this is $108 and it's long hair. That's a win. The next thing I want to talk about is the shedding. So actually I have a bundle here. So my hair does shed a little bit, but that's my fault because when I made the wig, I cut the wefts instead of folding the wefts, instead of doing the fold over method. But this is actually one of the bundles that I have left over, and the more I like rub my fingers through, it still doesn't shed nothing. So yeah, the hair has little to no shedding when you like, if you don't cut the wefts, but I cut my wefts, so of course my hair is gonna shed. This is what the hair looked like before installing and wetting and styling and stuff. This is what it looks like now. So there is like a slight difference, but I still think it's super beautiful. But yeah, I wanted to do a heat test for you guys, like straightening a piece to see how well it straightens and comes back. So I'm just gonna plug in my straightener real quick. Okay, so while my straightener is heating up, I'm gonna just move on to the next thing that I have on here. This bag is really bothering me. Okay. So, whenever I was making the wig, I of course bleached the knots in the frontal. I need to bleach them again because I didn't do too good of a job. But bleaching the knots really helped me a lot when it came to plucking the frontal. So the frontal was really easy to pluck. I didn't over pluck it. I need to pluck the part a little bit just to make it a little bit less thick. But other than that, the frontal did not give me trouble at all when it came to plucking it. It sounds so disgusting, oh my gosh. The hair has beautiful shine to it, look at it. I love it. It has great luster, beautiful shine. The curls are super duper soft. I'm so, like, I can't keep my hands out of the hair. It's just so pretty. And it looks so natural, like just the curl texture. I don't know. Or the wave texture. Just something about it. It looks like natural hair texture to me. I don't know, but I love it. It's really manageable. Usually whenever I get curly hair, the back of it starts to tangle up, but as you can see with this hair, my hands are just gliding through instead of like, you know, like when you get hair and like it rubs against the back of your neck or like you sweat or something and it just gets knotted back there. Yeah, this hair has no knotting on the back of my neck. Period. Which is very surprising considering that this is curly, wavy, textured hair or whatever. So I don't know, that's really good. So when it came to the shipping, the seller shipped the hair out pretty freaking fast. We were like emailing back and forth and she was like, okay, I'm gonna ship it out within 24 hours. I was like, okay, bet. So she ended up shipping the hair on December 7th. And I received the hair on December 11th. So it came in 4 days, which is really fast considering it came from a whole nother country to me. Yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, at first I was a little bit skeptical because I was like, this is like one of the first hair companies to actually send me something. So I was a little skeptical on if I was getting scammed or not, but thank God, just prayed on it. It wasn't a scam. They actually sent my hair and it came in just 4 days. So next I'm going to talk about the weft size. This is my leftover weft again. This is the size of the weft. To me it's a little small, but there's a lot of hair on it. Like I said, this is a little bit under 3 bundles and the hair is super full. Like, look at that. Under 3 bundles, and I think this is a really good amount to have for me. My preference, this is a good amount for me. But yeah, so, and it's long length too, so 18 inches, and the bundles are a little small, but there's a lot of hair on it, which is why I was able to get away with this. Because you guys all know, or if you don't know, the longer length you have, usually the smaller the wefts are, and the shorter length you have, usually the bigger the wefts are. I don't know, that's just how most hair companies do it, but that's okay because there was a lot of hairs on the wefts, which is why it looks so full for me. The seller had great communication. She replied fast, and I understand there's a time difference, but it never went longer than like 2 days without them responding, and even 2 days that might be pushing it. Probably like just a day without her responding, and then she'll get right back at me. But another thing, I'm kind of a night owl, so whenever I would respond, it would sort of be like daytime for them, but like late as hell for us, if you know what I mean. So that might be a reason why it was so fast, but I'm not complaining. Communication was great. The packaging was pretty basic. The bundles just came in like plastic bags. It was shipped from FedEx, so plastic bags inside the little yellow FedEx bag package. But the seller included some goodies for me. So inside my package, I got this cute Christmas card. Yeah, and then I got this cute little pouch that says wishing you a Merry Christmas, and the bottom it says Happy New Year. I think this might be like a coin pouch or something. I don't know what I'm gonna put in this, but I'm gonna use it for sure. And then of course I got like a little store brochure. It says high quality 100% human hair. The inside has like a little invoice thing or whatever, and then the back has like care instructions. So yes, so now I'm just gonna show you guys the heat test. I'm gonna straighten the hair out and we're gonna see how it straightens. So I'm gonna be using this Iron Guard by Chi or She, I don't know how to say it. I think it's Chi. I got it from Marshall's for $3. Mini product review. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm just gonna do like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do like this piece. Hold on, I gotta get it going. Use heat protectant anytime you're straightening your hair, curly hair, etc., whatever it is. Oh, I probably should have got a comb. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so I got me my little Denman brush, and I'm just gonna brush the hair out. And I'm gonna do the tracing method while I straighten it. Oh wow! So this was one pass. I'll get something so you can see. This is after one pass with the straightener. That is so straight. I'm highly impressed. What the heck? I'm very impressed. So now I'm only gonna do it one time. I'm just gonna spray it with the spray bottle and see if the curls come back. Whoops. Gonna brush it a little bit. So this is the wet hair, this is the dry hair. Honestly, it kind of looks the same to me. Just this is wet, this is dry. Or is it just me? It looks the same to me. So yeah, as you guys can see, the hair straightened really well and the curls came right back after I wet it. So that is super duper good. So let me turn this straightener off. So yeah, you guys, overall, I really love this hair. This is actually the first time I've ever heard of this company or worked with this company. And I've had a really good experience working with them as well. And I look forward to working with them some more in the future. The hair is super good quality and the price is super affordable. And as a fellow broke college student, I highly recommend this hair because it's so affordable and such good quality. It's up to you, of course, whether or not you want to go ahead and purchase from this company, but coming from me, I highly recommend it. You guys don't have to take my advice. You can, you don't have to, but I really like this hair. Customer service was great, company is great, shipping was super fast, hair is super manageable and full and pretty. I don't know, it's just like a win-win. From 0 to 5, I give this hair 5 stars because it's just so amazing. And Miss Cara Hair Company, thank you so much for the opportunity to be able to work with you guys. I'm so humbled and so blessed to be able to do this. You guys are the first hair company to actually send me out hair and have me try it out on my channel. So I'm super grateful and I'm so happy to be working with you guys. Thank you so much. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I have for you. I also want to add that I did record me whenever I made this unit. So if you would like to see the video of me making this wig, go ahead and participate in this poll, or you can comment down below saying, hey, post a video of you making the wig, and I'll be sure to post that for you guys. Yeah, just let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. If I missed out on anything, of course, there's a comment section down below for you guys, so Don't be shy. Go ahead and leave any questions, concerns, comments, whatever down below. If you're not already subscribed to me, what are you waiting for, girl? Come on, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. It'll help me out. It'll keep you guys updated, and I'm so excited for you guys to join the fam. So go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Gosh Destiny. I would add my Snapchat, but I don't really go in that often, and I think it's private. I don't know. So yeah, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm so sorry for my horrible, disgusting sounding voice. It's just my allergies are really getting to me. Oh my god, just saying the word allergy is like making me want to sneeze. Okay, but yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, of course, thumbs it up. And as always, you guys, stay happy, stay positive, and stay blessed, because God is good and He's good all the time. That's all I have for you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next